Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. I know that it's been a while that I posted a video, but here we are again. So guys, today we're gonna be working on the Elantra. I already have it on jack stands, and I'm gonna be installing a few parts. As you remember, I already installed a few parts in the Elantra. I already installed the front mount intercooler. Also, I installed the cold air intake, but I did a little modification today to the box. Look at this. Because I tested it without the box, and the car feel a little bit peppy and it makes better sounds. So I like better that. But the IATs are a little bit higher than when you use the box. So what I did was I did a little modification to the box so it can shield the heat from the back, because this is the back of the, goes to the side of the engine, and this is the front that goes through here to this hole here. And I have remember I have the cold air intake here, like a ram air, remember? And I did that. I'm gonna be testing it because with the box the car feel peppier, make better sounds, but with the box you don't hear anything and you can feel a little bit slower accelerating. I don't know if it's me or what, but I feel it like that. So my bot dyno, like everybody say, like bot dyno, doesn't feel good like it is without the box. So I did that modification. Now I'm checking all these things here because I'm gonna be deleting the muffler. This car has like a muffler or a diffuser, I don't know what, in the intake side that goes from the turbo to the intercooler. And anyway, I'm gonna be fabricating the whole charge pipe, because if you gonna buy those, it's gonna be like 200 or 300 bucks, and I can make it myself. I already have all the parts to do it. So let me show you what I got. And the other thing, I'm installing all these parts because I'm prepping the car. There is a JV Performance. This is a guy from Puerto Rico that makes tunes for this car, and we're gonna be tuning it. So we're gonna be doing a custom tune, and I wanna get it to the dyno with all the downpipe, the whole exhaust system, the intake, the charge pipe, and everything. So I wanna be prepared and have everything done, because I'm gonna spend like 350 bucks for the dyno and the program, and he's gonna program the ECU and the transmission computer also. So he's gonna change the way the car apply the gears and everything. So telling you that, I'm gonna show you what I got. So yeah guys, look at this beauty. This is a torque performance downpipe, 3 inches with the stainless steel. And I'm gonna explain this really quick. And this one, as you can see, most of the downpipe that you see, this pipe is straight. But this one has this bend here, this angle here, because of this. And this is really cool. This downpipe comes with this adapter. This adapter is gonna convert your exhaust flange from the regular one, 3 volts, to a V-band. V-band 3 inches, you can see, look at this. And what is cool about this is that you know that this car is really difficult to install these parts because of the problem of the space. But imagine you can install this only part in the turbo. It's gonna be really easy to put these bolts on, because you will not have the pipe in the way here. So you install this, and then you will install the downpipe to the turbo with the V-band. That's why it has this angle here, because of this space that it has been here. But this is really cool, because if you want to change your turbo, you can buy the turbo with a V-band and you can still use the downpipe. What I don't like about this downpipe, all downpipes, you can see is 3 inches here, and then it reduces here to like a 2.5 inches. But I'm gonna be chopping this. I'm gonna be expanding this pipe to get it as a 3 inch all the way. I'm gonna be welding here V-band. And the other thing that I have, all the piping and all the things that I need to do the charge pipe. Here are the V-bands, and this is This is something that I picked up on Amazon. This is a Dynamax Performance Ultra Flow. This is a old school pipe, but I like the sound of it. All my cars that I had a CRX with 500 horsepower that I run on the track. That was before YouTube and everything. I have an Integra GSR Turbo also. I have a few cars and always put this silencer, and I like the sound of it. So let me get it out. Look at this. It has a tape that you will peel here and it will look like chrome. I don't know where I'm gonna be putting this one because I'm gonna be installing the whole, I'm gonna be doing the downpipe. I'm gonna be expanding this to put the V-band here. And also I'm gonna be fabricating all the exhaust system in 3 inches all the way to the back. Okay guys, you remember I already installed the front mount intercooler. I just took this clamp from here to disconnect, and this is the charge pipe, and this is the muffler. It has a muffler right there. This will cause the airflow destruction. So because it has some baffles or something, I don't know why they put that there. And this here is gonna be the turbo. So I'm gonna be disconnecting it from the turbo. I'm gonna be fabricating all this pipe so I can take it to my friend so he can weld it. But in the meantime, I'm gonna be until I have this fabricated, I'm gonna be eliminating this with that piece of pipe that I told you about. So I'm taking this out first because I wanna make space so I can twist that and take it out. I already loosened it a little bit, but it needs to be a little bit more. Yeah, took it out. You can see now it's out, but I have to take this also because I'm gonna be putting there the copper that I bought. Well guys, this is the final product. Look at this. I chopped the pipes, put everything together with tape. I put it like that so I can take it to a friend of mine that will weld this pipe together and put it inside. So as soon as I have this pipe welded, I'm gonna be installing also the downpipe and making the full exhaust. It's already done. I have to clean it up or everything, but this is the charge pipe. It's gonna go from the turbo here to the intercooler in one piece. This is the bottom part. This is the part that goes under the oil pan. This is in front of the radiator and will connect to the intercooler. This is going to connect to the turbo because the neck for the turbo is 2 inches. So this is going to be connected to the turbo. This is at 1.75. The turbo is going to be here, and then here is going to be the pipe. So just like this. And if you want to buy something like this online, and they don't come like this. If you want to do something like this online, it's going to cost you almost $300. I pay $30. He only charged me $30 for the weldings and the pipes. You're not going to spend $100, $120 doing this. And this one is better. This is a one piece. This is for that. And this is my downpipe. So I cut it, expand it, and I'm gonna be welding the V-band here. So it's gonna be 3 inches, and we're gonna be fabricating the whole exhaust. So it's gonna be 3 inches from the turbo to the back. We're gonna be installing the downpipe. We have to remove the intake. We have to remove the battery so we can gain access to the 3 volts of the catalytic or downpipe, OEM downpipe. Here I have my downpipe already wrapped in thermotape. I already welded the V-band. You can see here, this is 3 inches V-band. This is Adrian's. It's the same one. He has a Veloster. I'm gonna be working on the Veloster. I'm gonna be doing to Adrian's Veloster the same thing I'm doing on mine. So this is ready to go in. Okay guys, look at this. I already installed the back part, the downpipe. So this is the turbo. It's a really small one, but this is what I got. And the car is automatic, so It doesn't matter that I put a bigger turbo, I can't put too much power because of the clutch. So now we're gonna be installing this. I'm here under the car and I wanna show you what I've done so far. I already installed the charge pipe and the downpipe, and I'm gonna show you how it looks under the car. Yeah, I did fabricated the one-piece charge pipe, 2.5 inches. That 45-degree elbow is gonna be 1.75 or 1 inch and 3/4. The side of the turbo side, and the other side is 2.5 inches. So look at how it looks. It doesn't have clamps or anything because you need to move, but it's not going to rub or create any noise, and it connects directly here to the intercooler. As you see here, comes here and connects to the intercooler. You can also use a bigger intercooler and you put the pipe to here, the U here, and you can put a bigger intercooler. Probably I will be doing that in the future, but for now that's what I'm gonna be doing. And now I'm gonna show you the downpipe. Look at the downpipe. It's already installed here. This is the adapter that connects the turbo to the downpipe. And I did weld the 3-inch V-band there because I'm gonna be fabricating the whole 3-inch exhaust. Now I'm gonna be finishing the exhaust system. And I already started fabricating the exhaust system. This is going to be the muffler that I'm going to be using. I'm not going to do the straight pipe thing because I don't want to be so loud. This is going to be connected to the downpipe, and now I'm going to be backing it up and tack weld it to the flange of the V-band so I can take it out and weld it here outside. Okay guys, I finished. Look at it. 3 inches from the turbo all the way down with the exhaust. But I tested the car without taking, I forgot to take the peel, the protective film. This is how it's supposed to look, but remember, if you use this one, take that out first. And look at this. All the way down, 3 inches. Yep. With V-band here. So we can, if we can take it apart. We have to take that, we can take that piece out in the back. Yeah, 3 inches. I'm so proud of myself, guys. So yeah, and it sounds amazing. Sounds amazing. Let me show you the back. Look at how beautiful it looks. Yep. And I use the burn tip, almost straight pipe here, almost straight. You can see it. You can fit another silencer here. If it's too loud for you, you can put a here. I can put another resonator. Look at it. I paint this part, but I need to paint the whole exhaust system. This is how it looked from the back. Look at it. Looks good. Now I'm gonna be doing well, the car is filthy, so I need to wash it up. I'm gonna do a cold start so you can hear how it sounds.